Hey babes, welcome. Welcome to today's video. So in today's video, you guys actually know beginning of February and I'm kind of in the Valentine's group. I want to do some looks for the rest of the month, but I don't really want pink vibe. I'm doing pink today, but it's a Valentine's Day look. So if you guys want to see how I went from this to this, then just keep on watching. I went and got some tape because I wanted it to be precise and I just never want to like start over, if you know what I mean. So I'm going in with black first, and I'm using the LA Girl gel liner. Yeah, the LA Girl gel liner, and I'm just starting off with black first. It doesn't have to be neat because remember we're going to smoke it out. We're going to smoke it out, but I want to tight line the lash line as much as possible. Okay, so now that the first base is down, this feels really uncomfortable, see? Now that the first base is down, I'm going to go in with this blue shade right here. I want to blend on top of that. But the camera is not doing it any justice. And then to diffuse it a tad bit more, I'm going to go on top with it's kind of shimmery, but I'm gonna use it regardless. I'm just using it to like give it like a blown out effect, a more gradient look. Don't think that of it. Because I don't really want to leave the top really bare and empty, I'm going to go in with like a nude, like a skin tone color, and I'm just going to pack it up there. Pack it at the top because all the focus is like at the lash line. But I don't really want at the top to look kind of empty. You know what I mean? It's really pretty though. That is pretty. It's giving shiny eye girl. So in the inner corner on the same brush, I'm going to go in with that same. This is how I position and add some right there to kind of open up the eye a bit. On my lower lash line, I'm going to add that same LA Girl gel liner. I was going to do the under eye, but I'm going to wait until after I finish my foundation, then I do the under eye. I just want to see how I achieve a flawless skin. I'll link it down below. Alright babes, so we did the skin and now we're moving on back to the eyes. So you see, because the eyes are cool, I decided to go warm on the cheek, if you understand what I'm saying. So instead I do like a pinky blush or a cool brush, I did more like a orangey blush. So this is how skin is supposed to look. This is how my eyes are supposed to look. Okay? Okay. So now the first blue that we went in with first. Okay, so what I basically did, I finish your eyes, finish your under eyes, add some lashes, and now I'm going to go in and do the lips. Then I'm going to go in with the LA Colors Eye Shine Doll Face Lip Gloss. The shade is Doll Face. And I'm going to put that right in the center of the lips. So this is the finished look. It's giving sexy, it's giving sultry, it's giving grown kind of vibes. So because I went cool on the lips, I decided to do neutral on the lips and warm up the skin a bit. So if you guys enjoy today's tutorial, let me know down in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Like the video if you like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. And on that note, I'll see you guys in the next upload. Go on, big up on yourself.